Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Biodex 300 Tile Cleaner. What is Biodex 300 Tile Cleaner? Biodex 300 Tile Cleaner is formulated to remove scale buildup, oils, and dirt from the tile and other non-porous surfaces. This product works by applying directly to calcium deposits and allowing them to dwell for a period of time determined by a test application. Cleans oil and dirt quickly and effortlessly. Removes calcium buildup on tile and other non-porous surfaces by allowing it to dwell. Product benefits. Fast-acting formula. Removes calcium and scale deposits. Breaks down grease, oils, and most soils. Usage directions. Important: do not apply this product to new or clean tiles. Test this product first by applying directly to the calcium deposits in an inconspicuous area. Allow product to dwell on the surface. Length of time determined by the user before scrubbing. Rinse well. Once it is determined the product is compatible with the surface to be cleaned, go ahead with step 1. Keep water level above plaster, but below calcified area. Do not drip this product directly on plaster, decking, or other surfaces as it may be discolored. How to apply. After careful removal and disposal of the inner seal, carefully lift the squirt spout. Apply to a manageable length of 3 to 4 feet. For best results, apply using a uniform application to avoid drip marks that can be difficult to remove. Allow to dwell, as determined by the user. Then scrub and rinse thoroughly before moving to the next area. Repeat application if necessary, as hazing is often caused by a light remaining calcium film not completely cleaned off. A useful tip for heavy buildup: apply a second application before the first application dries, layering the cleaner, then let dwell, scrub, and rinse well. Tip: if the vertical spillway can be safely cleaned, as determined by the user, apply the product to a sponge and apply to allow for calcium saturation without dripping. Light calcium, dirt, oil, and soil can be removed with less dwell time, as determined by the user. Scrub and rinse well. Once the tile is completely clean and dry, sealing is recommended. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.